Hi, we're live from the Buzz Center at the 2012 Bio International Convention. My name's Abigail Hirsch, and I'm with Bio, and with me today is Rob Goldstein with ALS Therapy Development Institute. Hi, Rob. How are you?
Hi, Abigail.
Good. So we're just going to start, and just if you'll tell us a bit about your organization.
Sure. So the ALS Therapy Development Institute is a nonprofit biotech, and we're located up in Cambridge. And typically what we do is we learn information about ALS, develop or in-license molecules from pharma, see if they work in preclinical models, and then license them back to pharma where they can be developed through clinical trials and ultimately commercialized.
Great, thank you.
Yeah.
And next, if you want to just tell us what it's meant to be here this week and have all the different folks you can connect with.
Well, honestly, ALS is considered to be an orphan disease. And there are about 30,000 people living with ALS in the U.S., about 500,000 people worldwide living with ALS. And tomorrow, Thursday, June 21st, is actually World ALS Day. And we'll be, our organization and organizations all over the world will be coming together to not just recognize people living with the disease, but also researchers working on eventually cures for it. And here at Bio, one of the things that we get, or probably the most important thing we get, is access to pharmaceutical companies and biotechs and CROs and CMOs and everybody that can help us get over the goal line for ALS, because this is such a devastating disorder and it's been way too long since we've had effective therapeutics.
So speaking of that, could you give us any insight to what you see as the future of the industry and your disease?
Yeah, I'm glad you asked. So it's a really exciting time right now with two leading pharmaceutical companies with late-stage projects in ALS. I'm not going to name them by name, but if you think of the top 10 biopharmaceutical companies out there, they all have active programs. They're finally looking at this as a tractable disease, something worth investing in. That gives all of us a lot of hope, and it gives patients today a lot of hope that eventually we may have something that will slow it down, potentially eventually stop it, and down the road maybe even reverse it. So, what's going on today is being led by pharma and it's being led by biotech, and a lot of those discussions actually started at events just like this, where we have those 15, 20-minute conversations at a partnering session or at a table outside the partnering session, and we kick around ideas and find out how we're going to work together to move that ball down the line.
Great, wonderful. So we'll look forward to seeing you in Chicago next year.
I will be there. We're really excited to continue to come to Bio and continue to make more partners and really bring everybody into the fold to see an end to ALS. And Chicago is going to be the next step on that path.
Great. Okay.
Sure.
Well, thank you. Thanks for joining us today. And to hear more, follow us on Twitter at IamBiotech.
Thank you.